Hello, we are in Chapter 4, Section 4.4, Complex Fractions. In this video, we're going to go over problem number 3, in which we are to simplify the following complex fraction using the LCD method. The idea of the LCD method is to acknowledge the denominator of all the fractions that appear in the big numerator and big denominator, 8, p, and 4. We are to find the least common denominator of those small fractions. So we present them in factored form, acknowledging all the prime factors in proper powers. 8 is 2 to the power of 3, and 4 is 2 to the power of 2. Therefore, 2 and p are all the distinct prime factors, and for each we find the largest exponent. For 2, it's the exponent of 3, and for p, it's the exponent of 1, resulting in 8p altogether. Now we multiply that least common denominator of the small fractions into both the big numerator and big denominator of our complex fraction and simplify accordingly. First, in the big numerator, acknowledging we can simplify the factor of 8p between the numerator and denominator of the two multiplied fractions. And since we divide by 1, it leaves us only with 2p minus 5. And in the denominator, we acknowledge that the numerator of the second fraction, 8p, and the denominator of the first fraction, 4, have common factors of 4, so we divide it out and simplify accordingly. Again, the denominator is only 1, so we're left with the product of the factors 7p plus 1 and 2p. And acknowledge that this is the end, because we can't simplify any further. The denominator is factored, and even though 2p is a factor in that denominator, the 2p on top in the numerator is not a factor, but just an addend. So that's it.